Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine at your home. And I was having with you the topic of challenges of nations building, in which I want to recapitulate the challenges. And there were three challenges earlier, right? And these three challenges were very tough challenges because India was recently at the time in 1947 got independent, and after independence we were not sure that what will happen because we were in लच का मतलब है बहुत बुरी हालत में थे हमारा देश. Economic system was absolutely gone. Social system was in stigma, right? Economic, social, and security was nowhere. So first of all, three challenges were. The first and the immediate challenge was to shape the nation. I told you yesterday also that how to shape the nation, right? The first challenge was to shape the nation that was united earlier, and after that it was divided. But accommodative, we have a large chunk of population divided in languages, religion, right? So it was a difficult part. Then it was widely believed that a country full of such kind of diversity could not remain together for long. और ये कहा जाता था कि भारत कभी भी that could not live united for a long time because lot of diversity was there. One or two diversity, three diversity we can accept it, but accept it. But it was a huge diversity. The partition of the country appeared to be prove everyone's worst fears. Partition was one of the worst fear because one chunk of the land will be called another country, and that was called Pakistan, where that were time Muslim Bahul people, majority were Muslims over there. There was serious question about future of India, right? And would India survive as a unified country or not? Would it be so emphasizing national unity at the cost of others' objective? National unity, we will be able to do the national unity on the cost of other objectives because we have got lot of other objectives also. The main objective was we don't have the money and the people were uh, especially I'm saying it that lot of people were without food. Right. And the second challenge was establishing democracy. When India was independent, getting independence, and we were having a dream that we will be democratic country. So how to establish democracy? To say we are democratic country to have a dream of democracy, it's a very good. It's a very good daydream. What do you mean by daydream? Daydream का मतलब वो सपना जो दिन में लिया जा रहा है वो उसकी वास्तविकता नहीं है. Right, I told you many times that democracy is one of the best aspects. But democracy is very good when you are having economic part also, good economic part also. You can enjoy your life, and you are striving hard to live in. जब तुम्हें बहुत जिंदा रहने के लिए इतनी जद्दोजहद करना पड़ रहा है, so you can say that democracy has no meaning at that time. Political independence has no meaning when you don't have the economic independence. पैसा ही जेब में ना हो तो तुम्हें पॉलिटिकल इंडिपेंडेंस से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. यू नो हिंदी में कहावत है, भूखे पेट ना होए राम भजन. Right. So now third challenge is to ensure the development of well-being of entire society. Ensure the development of well-being. Well-being का development होना चाहिए of entire society. The people who are rich, they are well-being, right? But the people who don't have the two-star meal a day also दो वक्त का खाना उनको नहीं मिलता है, and we have to take care of those people. And India's population was increasing day by day. Just imagine the 30 crore people were there, right, at the time of before, little bit before independence. Now we have more than 135 crore. Right. So can well imagine what we how much progress we are doing it. So these were the three more challenges. Now I will do it now. Today I will do it partition, displacement, and rehabilitation. We have done it. This one. Give me a few minutes time so that I can teach. I have done three challenges with you. Then partition. Partition, displacement, and rehabilitation. Now, and there are some cartoons over there. Not cartoons, some pictures are there at the page number 6 or 7. You see these pictures, you read the story behind it, and you can discuss yourself. So I have with you one that is Muhammad Ali Jinnah's photograph is there. Here, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Qaid Azam of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, then Amrita Pritam, right? Amrita Pritam was there. Then Faz Ahmad Faz he's a patriotic poet, and he shifted to Pakistan. Faz Ahmad Faz, here is a Faz Ahmad Faz. Just give me 1 minute time. Here is Faz Ahmad Faz. Okay, this man is Faz Ahmad Faz. He was a poet. Then that Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Then Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and then we have got the have Amrita Pritam. Then we have Nehru. So just read these all things, right? So then I have partition, displacement, and rehabilitation. Now there are three topics. There are 3 points. Listen to me very carefully, please, all of you. 3 points are there. First point is partition. पार्टीशन के बाद क्या होता है? डिस्प्लेसमेंट होती है. What do you mean by displacement? लोग इधर उधर चले जाते हैं. Many pictures or movies and others are there. Cinemas are there in which the story of partition is there. Right? That partition is there. Then displacement. लोग अपने से जुदा हो जाते हैं, परिवार इधर के उधर चले जाते हैं. Right? Lot of if you have know many people of India, they are still their relatives are in Pakistan. Their relatives are still in Bangladesh, earlier Pakistan's part. So this type of trauma, trauma, जो बहुत तकलीफ देह होती है, प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करती है जिंदगी में, इमोशनल एंड physical and mental, lot of problems. Right? People were murdered, people were butchered, women were raped and all. Lot of things were there. Small kids they have been orphaned. So it was it was it was everywhere. It was a dark situation was there. Everything everywhere is dark situation. So displacement was there, and after displacement, how to rehabilitate them? How to rehabilitate? उनको दोबारा कैसे बसाया जाए? It was a big problem. It was a big problem because at the time, here in Panipat also, in your maybe in Karnal, maybe in Gharonda, lot of people 1947 they have some colonies. Government gave them some colonies, one room set, and they used to settle over there. We call it camp, and you still go into the Karnal area, you will find camps over there. You will go to Jalandhar near Pakistan and Amritsar, Pakistan border. You will find a lot of camps over there, and those camps were for the rehabilitation. Okay, now on 14th or 15th August 1947, right? 1947, not one but two nation states came into existence. What we said, now two things are more there so that I can elaborate. I want to elaborate these things. Used to say one nation. one nation. India and Pakistan, they are not two nations. But Liaquat Ali Khan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and other people, who wrote सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा, right? So these people sometimes, they were also thinking at the part of at the or the same line of two nation theory, so they are Indian people and Pakistan people, they are the two people. They are not united, they cannot be united. They used to think, right, two nation states came into existence, India and Pakistan. This was a result of partition, the division of British India and into being Pakistan. And it was a result of, British India, Britishers in India, right? Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and Liaquat Ali Khan's theory, and they had a discussion with British people that they need Pakistan. They don't want to go in Hindu majority, right? So the drawing of the border demarcating the territory of each country marked the culmination of political development that we have read about the history of textbook. According to the two nation theory advanced by the Muslim League, Muhammad Ali Jinnah and all, India consisted of not one but two people, Hindus and Muslims. I told you just now that we used to think that no, Hindus and Muslims are united. Earlier they were united. It's no doubt they were not united. They were united. But after some type of misunderstanding between India and Pakistan, Hindus and Muslims, this two nation theory erupted. India consisted of not one but two people, Hindus and Muslims, that was demanded by Pakistan, a separating country of Muslims. The Congress opposed this. The Congress opposed the theory and the country for the Muslims. The Congress also opposed this theory and the demand for Pakistan. But several political development in 1940, the political competition between Congress and Muslim League, and the British role to the decide for the creation of Pakistan. But एक इसी धागे में ना गांठ पड़ जाए ना, तो उस गांठ को खोलना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, right? So there was a doubt between Indian people and Pakistan people, and that doubt created Pakistan. That we said that Muslims will not be able to adjust themselves in our society. And Muslims said that Hindus are the majority and they will overpower us. So this strife and political people, political aspirations, political dogmas, everywhere politics is there. Politics also played its own role, and this Britishers, they accepted. They want that India should be divided. Heart in heart, they have a dream that India should be partition. And Mountbatten was the main person who did all this theory. Bengal partition, Lord Curzon. Once Bengal was partitioned, East Bengal and West Bengal, 1905, 1905 में हुआ था, यदि आपको याद है तो, राइट? या भूला मत करो, भूल जाते हो बीच बीच में कभी कभी। 1905 में हुआ था, सब याद है ना सभी को? So there was a partition between Bengal. That time one partition was there, the East Pakistan, right? Lot of Muslim Bahul was there, Muslim majority was there. And in West Pakistan, now we call West India, West Bengal, and East Pakistan. And now it was East Pakistan or East Bengal. Muslims were there, and West Bengal, now which we call it, that is an Indian part. Bengal was at that time Bengal presidency used to say, and Kolkata was the capital of throughout capital of India at that time. Now it's a new Delhi, but once upon a time Kolkata was the capital because it was a business house. Right. Now, so it was their partition, displacement, and rehabilitation. Then come to the process of partition. कैसे ये घटनाएं घटी, right? Process of process of partition. Thus, it was decided that what was then known as India would be divided into two countries. Yeah, India would be divided into two countries, India and Pakistan. Such a division was not only very painful but also very difficult to decide that how to implement. It was very painful first of all because lots of people they used to say that they will go for Pakistan. Many Muslims and many Muslims they were not they don't want that Pakistan should be created. As Faz Ahmad Faz, he was a poet. He said no, there should be no Pakistan. It should be united India. Many people they said they will be in India. Many Muslims also said that they want to be in India itself. And it was a painful because lot of relatives, real brothers, they were in Pakistan, their sisters were in India, right? So Indian Pakistan, such a division was not very painful, but also very difficult to decide how to implement. इसको किया कैसे जाए, किस हिस्से को इंडिया के किस हिस्से को पाकिस्तान बनाया जाए, right? So it was decided to follow the principle of religious majority. तब हमने सोचा कि religious majority के ऊपर इसको partition कर दिया जाए. जहां पर ज्यादा Muslims होंगे जिस इलाके में, whosoever that particular part will be lot of Muslims, that part will go to Pakistan, right? And we will ask the people also of that particular part that in which area they want to live in. This was one and last, the last, sought how to decide. And principle that was called principle of religious majority. That is called principle. Please write it down in your book. Also, you have got lot of margin, lot of space. Write it down. Principles of always have with your always I used to say to have your pencil and pen along with your book. All right. So principles of majority, religious majority. It would make a territory of Pakistan. The rest of it would be in India. Right. So Muslim का जो बहुल इलाका है, it will go to Pakistan. बाकी जो Hindus रहेंगे, that will call India, Bharat, Hindustan. The idea might appear simple. ऐसा लगा कि this is a very simple idea. Yeah. Might very simple, but it presented all kinds of difficulties. First of all, what type of difficulties we follow? It could be a question. When during the partition, during the decide that this part will be going towards Pakistan, what type of difficulty we faced? The people, common people. देखिए एक आपको एक बात बताऊं, कॉमन पीपल ही ज्यादा डिफिकल्टीज फेस करता है. Me and you, we people are common people. They used to feel the difficulties, right? So the idea might appear very simple, but it presented all kinds of difficulties. First of all, there are no single belt of Muslim majority. कोई एक ऐसा बेल्ट नहीं था जहाँ पे मुस्लिम मेजॉरिटी हो. Okay, you can say East Pakistan was there, but very simple, but small one. But India will be there. Again they will say India is a huge country. So no single belt of Muslim majority was there. Areas in British India. There were two areas of concentration, one in West and one in East. I told you just now. West Pakistan and East Pakistan. दो ही majority वाले थे. Chunk land was there. West Pakistan, ये Peshawar, Muzaffarabad and all Punjab wala Pakistan. Lahore, Islamabad, these all Punjab wala Pakistan. One is this. And one was East Pakistan, Bengal wala Pakistan. जिसे आजकल अब बांग्लादेश कहते हैं, ढाका is the capital, right? So Sheikh Hasina is the president, prime minister over there. There was no way for two parts could be joined. और ये है कि ईस्ट पाकिस्तान और वेस्ट पाकिस्तान ज्वाइन कर ही नहीं सकते, बिकॉज वेस्ट पाकिस्तान इज नॉर्थ, ये नॉर्थ वेस्ट की तरफ है, नॉर्थ है ना, नॉर्थ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, और नीचे से गुजरात आ जाइए, गुजरात से और जम्मू कश्मीर की तरफ ले चलिए, ऊपर जाइए, दैट विल बी NWFP. I told you earlier also, North Western Frontier Province, that is West Pakistan. And now come to East Pakistan, near Kolkata. Kolkata is the eastern part of India. That is all near about eastern part, that is Siliguri, Dimaguri, Jalpaiguri, right? And all seven sisters part, मेघालय, मणिपुर, सिक्किम, दी, ये जो पार्ट के नीचे आ जाइए आप, नीचे की ओर आ जाइए, then you will have a Bengal, we call West Bengal, then that is the eastern part. थोड़ा सा साइड में जाइए, आपको पाकिस्तान, ईस्टर्न पाकिस्तान मिल जाएगा, मेघालय की तरफ से होते जाइए, तो it will very much near to Indian border. And there is no demarcation. Pakistan, East Bengal, Dhaka में बंगाल, बांग्लादेश, and we have no demarcation. कोई, there is no hud. Simple we मान लेते हैं कि this is Pakistan, and many colonies are there. One left part is called Indian part, and the right part is called Pakistan part. So this said, this part, eastern part, will call East Pakistan. Right? And let me tell you one thing. When eastern part will go to west, some eastern part country people will go to western part, they have we have a fly zone. उनको इंडिया के बॉर्डर को पार करना है. They have to cross Indian border. Otherwise, they cannot. They have to have a long route, which is not advisable. For a short route, they have to cross India. So that's why they said uh, there were no way these two parts could be joined. No way these two parts could be joined. So it was decided that new country, Pakistan, will comprise two territories, west and east, separated by long expanse of Indian territory. Just I told you, Indian territory को उनको पार करना ही होगा, right? Then, secondly, not all Muslim majority areas wanted to go in Pakistan. बहुत सारे लोग नहीं जाने चाहते थे, किसमें, कहाँ पर, पाकिस्तान में. One was Gandhian frontier, Gandhian admirable person, Gandhi admirer. He used to admire Gandhi very much. He was said frontier Gandhi, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan from Pakhtunistan. He the undisputed leader of Northwestern Frontier Province, NWFP. Just I told you now, NWFP, and known as Frontier Gandhi. I told you just now, Frontier Gandhi was staunchly opposed to two-nation theory. He never accepted two-nation theory. He said India and Pakistan is a one country, one people. Didn't believe there are two-nation theory. Eventually, his voice was simply ignored. लेकिन उसको बात तो कुछ सुनाई नहीं. आप अच्छी बात करोगे ना, किसी को अच्छा कहोगे, कोई नहीं सुनेगा. If you use abusive language, everybody will listen to you. This is दुनिया. अच्छी बातों को सुनता नहीं. मैं कई बार कहता हूँ, मन से पढ़ो. आप 2-3 दिन पढ़, sometime it affects you, after some time it again. Let me tell you one thing. Now +2 is your career class. May what happen, कुछ भी होता रहे, you concentrate in your studies. Please. चलिए, मैं तो कहता ही रहता हूँ. Eventually, his voice was simply ignored, and NWFP was made to merge with Pakistan. ये two process of partition हो गए. First process क्या था? इंडिया पाकिस्तान को कैसे चेंज किया जाए, कौन सा साइड इंडिया में आएगा, कौन सा which will go to Pakistan, and second was how to decide, how to decide, and the difficulties to decide, because only two portion was there where the Muslim Bahul people were living. Third part. The third problem was the two Muslim majority provinces of British India, Punjab and Bengal, we call it East Bengal, had very large areas where the non-Muslim was also in majority. उस एरिया में नॉन मुस्लिम लोग भी थे, जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है ये. दिस टॉपिक इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. हमने तो कह दिया कि दिस इज अ मेजॉरिटी मुस्लिम, but in that majority Muslim areas were lot of people, lot of colonies were there, lot of parks were there, lot of land was, many cities were there, many cities. Obviously East Bengal के अंदर बहुत सारी cities हैं, West Pakistan के अंदर बहुत सारी cities हैं, in Sindh also. Okay, go to Sindh area, lot of Hindus are there living, still they are living. Hindu people are 2% or 3% people in Pakistan. Still they are in Pakistan, and 8 to 10% people they are living. Hindus are living in Bangladesh. So tomorrow I will continue this journey of partition, displacement, and rehabilitation. I told you I started with the partition, how it was painful, then process of partition, what type of difficulties we have to face in this area, then how to decide which area will be there, and after decision, which type of after we decided that this areas where we go to Pakistan or Pakistan, then which type of difficulty. Just now I told you many chunk of portion was dominated by Hindus and other people. They don't want to live in Pakistan. What will happen to them? Right? So, lot of difficulties were there. Rest, but tomorrow, take care. Do gaz ki duri, mask hai zaruri. Till then, take care and have a nice time. Thank you. Do read the chapter very carefully, and I gave some reading portion also, page number 6 and 7. Right? Faz Ahmad Faz, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Liaquat Ali Khan, Nehru, right? And Amrita Pritam, what they think about it, what they think about partition. Thank you, Bacho. Take care. Be safe. Thank you.